So you have a power failure and you go to connect up your solar panels with your battery and your DC to AC inverter, and you discover that the inverter is not working. Can you use 3 400-watt solar panels connected in series to power your AC devices instead? Let's give it a try. Okay, the first one's going to be this drill, 1/2-inch hammer drill. Nothing wrong with that. Now the angle grinder. Working good. Now the circular saw. Now a shop vac. Plenty of power with that. Now the 10 amp buffer. Works so good it loosened my watch. A sawzall. Now an impact wrench. Some of you may be asking, how is it possible that these AC tools were being operated using 120 volts DC? And the reason is the motors used in those tools, as well as the vacuum cleaner, are universal motors. They work fine with AC or DC. What I just showed you will not work with AC induction motors. The only problem with using DC on these tools is the on-off switch over time can fail much quicker than using alternating current due to arcing between the contacts in the switch. You can also use the 120 volt DC output for powering all resistive devices or resistive loads, soldering irons, toaster ovens that have mechanical timers on them. You can operate those. And guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to rate, thumbs up, and share. Thanks for watching.